Don't forget to clean the hair clipper periodically, preferably after each haircut, and to oil it down. And I might as well show you the insides of the components. Okay, sometimes you might get hair trapped in here, so make sure you clean that off real good. Alright, so here's what the inside component looks like. So in the event that this spring comes loose, don't forget it goes in like this. You have to push some force to push it underneath and inside, so the two prongs are sticking out. All right, so now I'm going to insert. You see there's like two slots right here, so I'm going to insert it in here. Okay, and then I'm going to press it down onto here, and now I am going to insert the four components and screw it down. Here's a better look at it. It lines up with that center white piece right here, and you want to press it down. Okay, make sure you line it up and then put the screws back on. It might take a couple of tries. And these screws are magnetic. And of course we need to give it a try, make sure it working properly. So the screws are pretty much on tight. One way of checking to make sure is to use the taper guide. See how that glides in smoothly? Now I'm going to plug it in, make sure it sounds and works all right. Okay, that's the proper sound.